आ गया लाइव आ गया। Good morning, everyone. This is Kendriya Vidyalaya Gauribidnu going live for the lottery of Class 1 admissions. The lottery process will start at 10:30 a.m. We are waiting for the lottery committee members to arrive, and thereafter lottery process will start.
कितना करंट है थोड़ा डिस्टेंस ले लो जब तक वो चलाते हैं सर वीडियो डमी वीडियो है ना
डेमो
नहीं डमी
है
वीडियो जानो ना कैसे होगी क्या होगी वो तो उनको थोड़ा आइडिया हो गया और वहाँ नहीं दिखेगा ना
ये
हाँ ये बोला,
ये
है ना,
हाँ
कंडक्टिंग लॉटरी।
ठीक है।
Welcome to the spoken tutorial on KV online admission conducting lotteries. In this tutorial, we will discuss the process of conducting various lotteries in Teacher's Dashboard. This video is intended for admission in charge of KV. Open the Teacher's portal. On the web page, in the login section, type the user ID for your school. Enter the password. Type the CAPTCHA code displayed here. Click on the login button. The school's interface opens with dashboard. Let us see how various lotteries can be conducted. Click on the lottery link in the left menu. Notice the various categories of lotteries listed here. The sequence of conducting lotteries for a particular school is also displayed here. For demonstration, I am taking example for the project IHL category KV IIT Powai Mumbai. Kindly note, civil and defense sector schools follow a slightly different sequence for conducting lotteries. For each school, the correct sequence of conducting lotteries will be automatically displayed in the left menu. Please follow the sequence when conducting lotteries. RTE lottery is the first in the sequence, hence it must be conducted first. RTE lottery must be conducted only on the date and time slot given for the school. Lotteries for other categories can be conducted at any time in the given sequence only after conducting the RTE lottery. These lotteries will be enabled only after the RTE lottery is conducted. Please note, these lotteries can be conducted only once for each category. Click on the RTE lottery link. The page opens. Scheduled date and time for conducting this lottery is displayed on the top of the page. Information about number of sections available and number of RTE seats available in this category is also mentioned. If your school's time slot is in the future, come back to conduct the RTE lottery in the allotted time. If your time slot has already expired, please contact KVS headquarters. Request them for an alternative time slot for RTE lottery. Number of sections available and number of RTE seats available is also displayed here. Eligible RTE applicants pre-lottery list with total number of applicants is shown here. This is a dummy demonstration. All applications shown here are dummy applications. Each application is given a pre-lottery sequence number as shown in this column. Pre-lottery sequence number has no effect on the final position of an applicant in the list after the lottery is conducted. Show this sequence number to the parents. Here are the corresponding application submission codes and names of the applicants. Search button is available on the top right corner. To find the name of the applicant in the list, type the name in the search box. The application with the name is displayed. Please demonstrate this feature to the parents. Clear the search box to display the full list again. If you want to download this list, click on Download Pre-Lottery List button. This button is provided at the top right corner of the page. In the dialog box, select Save File option and click on OK button to save this list. Conduct RTE Lottery button is seen on the top right corner. Conduct RTE Lottery button will be enabled only on the predetermined day and time. This button can be clicked only once. After clicking the RTE Lottery button, the button will disappear. The lottery cannot be conducted again. Once you are ready, click on Conduct RTE Lottery button. A box with a message appears. Read the message. There are two buttons available here, Cancel and OK. Click on the Cancel button if you want to cancel the conducting lottery and return to the page. If you are ready to conduct the lottery, click on OK button. Wait for a few seconds. At the top of the page, date and time on which RTE lottery was conducted is indicated. This process will reshuffle the sequence of applications randomly. Here are columns for pre-lottery sequence numbers, application submission code, name, post-lottery sequence number, admission status, and remarks. Show the post-lottery sequence numbers and pre-lottery sequence numbers to parents. There are two more columns on the right side, admission status and remarks. These columns need to be filled after the documents are checked for each applicant. Demonstration of the marking admission process is shown in another tutorial. Scroll down the page. Notice that the waiting list applications are marked. These are marked after the allotted RT applications are filled. The number here is 40. Hence, waiting list applications are marked from 41st application. Please note that an applicant may have different waiting list numbers in different admission categories. Scroll up and read the important message about waiting list. Scroll up the page. Click on Download RT Lottery Result button at the top right corner. In the dialog box, select Save File option and click on the OK button. The Post Shuffle PDF downloads to Downloads folder. Here I have opened the RT Lottery Post Shuffle PDF. This can be printed and used for displaying. Close the PDF. Let me show a few more examples of conducting lotteries. Next in the sequence is differently abled SC lottery. Click on the link. This lottery can be performed only after you perform the RT lottery. The date and time at which the lottery can be performed is mentioned at the top of the page. You will also find the following information: number of sections, number of horizontally reserved, differently abled or DA seats under SC category, DA SC applicants within top 40 of RT lottery. Total number of eligible differently abled SC category applications is given here. Scroll down. Show to parents the pre-lottery list and pre-lottery serial numbers of all applicants. In this demonstration, there is only one DA SC candidate and conducting a lottery may appear redundant. However, the lottery must mandatorily be conducted even if there is only one applicant before admissions can be given in this category. In the case of your school, there may be more than one applicant in this category. When you are ready to conduct the lottery, click on Conduct Lottery button. Read the message and click on OK button. Wait for a few seconds. A new list is displayed on the page. Show the post-lottery and pre-lottery sequence numbers to parents. Here there is only one application in this category. Hence there is no waiting list. This may be different in your case. Now conduct all the lotteries given in the sequence here. For demonstration, I have conducted lotteries for differently abled ST lottery, differently abled OBC NCL lottery, differently abled general OBC CL lottery. Next, I will demonstrate service category 1 lottery. Click on the link from the left panel. At the top of the page, information about total number of seats, number of sections in each class and total number of seats reserved is displayed. The seats reserved in each category, RTE, DA and SAQ are also displayed. The number of seats available in this category will be 160 minus 66. This will be 94. Total number of applications in this category is given here. All the applications eligible under this category are listed here. Show the pre-lottery sequence numbers to parents. For each applicant, service category, service subcategory are also displayed. When you are ready to conduct the lottery, click on Conduct Lottery button. Read the message and click on OK button. The reshuffling of applications takes place. Show the post-lottery and pre-lottery sequence numbers to the parents. Scroll down the list of applications. Since the number of available seats in this category is 94, the waiting list starts from sequence number 95. Download the post lottery list by clicking on Download Lottery Result button as shown earlier. Lotteries in other categories shown in the left menu can be conducted in exactly the same way at any time after the RTE lottery is conducted and in the sequence indicated in the left menu. However, the lottery for each category can be conducted only once. The sequence in which lotteries are to be conducted appear in the left menu and are exactly as approved by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. This may differ from school to school depending on whether the school is in IHL project category or civil defense category. The sequence of lotteries as in the left menu should be strictly followed. This completes the demonstration of conducting lotteries on KV portal. The process of marking admission status for the selected applications is shown in another video. The spoken tutorial project is funded by MHRD Government.
आपको दिखा रही हूँ।
Good morning, all of you. Like this time, according to the instruction, only the 5 committee members in the front of that we will be when the laws. Because of financial, that's why live Facebook is visible. So parent can see from their home. Committee members एडमिशन नागपुर मैडम के पास है ना फाइल, उसमें कमेटी मेंबर्स के लिए क्या व्हाट्सएप पे होगी?
Good morning everyone. Today we in Kendriya Vidyalaya Gauri Bidnor are going to conduct the lottery process for class 1 admissions in the presence of draw of lots committee. The members of committee are the principal sir of Kendriya Vidyalaya Gauri Bidnor, one parent member, one VNC nominated member by Honorable Deputy Commissioner Chikballapur and District Commissioner Chikballapur Srimati R. Lata, and 2 parent members whose ward has applied in the class 1 admission process. All these members have been nominated by Honorable District Commissioner IAS Srimati R. Lata. Just a brief overview of the overall lottery process. First, we are going to conduct the lottery for RT, in which a total number of 112 candidates has applied and total number of seats are 10. Then we will be conducting lottery for differently abled, first in the SC category, then second in the ST lottery, third in the OBC. These are all differently abled students in SC, ST and OBC. Then OBC creamy layer. After that, we will conduct the lottery for service category 1, thereby service category 2. In service category 1, a total number of 8 eligible applications has been received through online mode. In service category 2, a total number of 13 eligible applications have been received by the Vidyalaya through online mode. After that, we will come to category wise lottery, in which first we will be going for SC category applications, for which total number of 22 applications have been received. Then ST lottery, in which total number of 21 applications have been received. Then OBC non-creamy layer, in which a total number of 69 applications have been received. Then service category number 3, in which a total number of 47 applications have been received. Then service category 4, in which a total number of 10 applications have been received. Then service category 5, in which a total number of 107, that is 107 applications have been received by the Vidyalaya. Then we will go for single girl child applications, in which a total number of 16 applications have been received by the Vidyalaya. Then we will go for KVS ward applications. Okay, it is about to be 10:30, and then we will start for the RT lottery. सर ऑलरेडी हो गया सर, लेकिन अभी 10:30 हो गया ना, हो गया ना सर, 10:30 हो गया तो एट ए टाइम चालू कर देंगे हम। सर डेमो ऑलरेडी दिखा दिया सभी आप लोग के आंसर पहले दिखा दिया था। यस सर, यस सर, वी हैव ऑलरेडी displayed demo. Yeah. Yesterday also on the Facebook page, KV Goibidnoor has displayed online demo of lottery, and today also at 10 o'clock we have shown. At 10:35 we will start the lottery process.
आपको हिंदी समझ में आती है सबको? ओके। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन में क्लास 1 एडमिशन इज वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट मैनर. Sometimes parents are calling, sir, give me seat. There is nothing in the principal hand, totally managed by the husband. Online form, parents can apply online form. After that, date is over. Then there will be a time slot. In particular time, we have to take automatically that lottery will show as per the guideline. When first we will go to the RT candidate. So sequence number is different. See, 101, 102. What is the sequence number? When the parent applied, accordingly that how much form applied by the parent. But when we will click, computer automatically generates by the different sequence. Maybe 102 is the one. So pre-lottery list and post-lottery list. Both will display. First pre-lottery, after that the post-lottery. That is the final list. First 10 members, they will be selected for the ITP. Another candidate, another waiting list. If out of 10 candidates, anybody is not reporting or their documents is wrong, then we will call the waiting list. Accordingly, today we will release all the lotteries and provisionally list 1 for the RT candidates, differently abled candidates, category 1 candidate, those who are central government employees, and category 2, those are central autonomous bodies employees. That is the first list. We will work on before the 30. After that 30, we will release the second list. If the vacancy is there, shortfall of SC/ST candidates, then state government. After that, single girl child, that is the over and above after the 40. And KVS ward. Like this. Okay? Now we will start because our time slot is started. Okay.
Now everyone can see that the conduct RT lottery button is displayed here, red color button. It is now live. So we are conducting the lottery for RT.
How many candidates?
112 has applied for RT.
See, sequence number 1 is and 112.
This school confirms that the demos of lottery have been shown to parents to their satisfaction. The school and parents understand that the conduct lottery button will disappear after conducting the lottery once. Please click cancel if you want to abort this operation, else click OK. So we are going to conduct the lottery, so we will click on OK. So this is the RT list. These first 10 candidates will be in the provisional list and then provisionally selected, and then next to our waiting list. You all can see. So we have conducted the RT lottery list for RT students. A total number of 112 has applied, 10 are selected.
Okay. Form number 30 is the first. This is the serial number, this is the lottery number. ऊपर से शुरू करो 30 Viscal Korotha, that is the first candidate. Now we will download that list.
Now we are going towards differently abled SC lottery, where no candidate have applied. So we will now move forward to differently abled ST category. In this category also no student have applied. Then we will move forward to
SC no candidate applied.
and differently abled OBC non-creamy layer applications, where one student have applied. For this we will conduct the lottery. So we are clicking on conduct lottery button. We will conduct it, click and OK. We download the lottery result. You all will be able to see this lottery result list on our website by today evening, after the signature of Honorable District Commissioner, who is also the VMC Chairman of the Vidyalaya. Now we will go towards differently abled general OBC creamy layer, in which no student have applied. So we will move forward to service category 1 lottery.
Now the central government employee lottery.
In service category 1, a total number of 8 students have applied. These are the name of the students. These are serial number. And once I will conduct lottery button, then it will be start. The school confirms. This is the message shows. So we are going to conduct. So I will press OK.
This is the total registered.
So this is the list.
Category 1 8 candidates.
These are the names. These are the serial number in which the student have applied, and these are the lottery number. Now I am going to service category number 2. In service category 2, a total number of 13 candidates have applied.
That automatically central government employee, only transfer is there. That is the first.
These are the names of the student which have applied in service category number 2. So I am going to conduct the lottery. So these are the serial number and these are the lottery numbers.
Yeah. After that, category 3rd and 4th. After what the 5th category.
So now we have completed both the service categories. Now we will go to SC lottery. In SC, there is a total number of 22 candidates who have applied. So you can read it, important information about SC lottery. Since in the categories like SC, ST, OBC, these admission only happen after the vacant seat of admission from RT service category 1 and 2. So shortfall of the seats. So there are a prefixed number of seats for SC, ST and OBC, and if there is a shortfall in those seats from service category 1 and 2, then only we get admission from this list. So we will first get admission in SC, ST from service category 1 and 2 list. So we are only going to see the result like it is written there. If you wish to simply view the lottery result, then click OK and close the page after viewing. So we are going to click OK and close the page after viewing the list. So as you all can see, these are the list. So we will download the SC/ST result and then we will close it. Now we will move to ST. In SC you all can see the number of SC seats are 6. So if there is a shortfall in these 6 seats after the admission process of service category 1 and 2, then only candidates will be picked from here. Then we will move to ST category. We will press the ST category button. Here the seats are 3. We will download the ST category result. Now we will go to OBC non-creamy layer lottery. The total number of seats in OBC non-creamy layer is 11. Total number of application received is 69. These students after the conduct of lottery will be given admission only on the shortfall of seats in OBC non-creamy layer category. So we are downloading the result for OBC non-creamy layer. Now we are going to service category number 3. The admission for these will be only processed after 23/6/2021. नहीं सर, उसमें वो ऊपर लिखा हुआ है ना, this lottery operation can be performed after 23/6/2021. ये फर्स्ट लाइन से, this lottery operation can be performed after 23/6/2021. So since yes sir, since we have conducted all these RT lottery, differently abled SC, ST, NCL, OBC, service category 1, 2, SC, ST, OBC lottery. Now we are going to conduct the category 3, service category 3 lottery. Total number of applications received are 47. So these are the sequence number, as you can see, 1, 2, 5, 4, 8, and these are the lottery number 1, 2, 3. Now all of these are shown as waiting list because previous service 1, 2, 3, all these categories are not admission for these have not been done yet. So we are now at eligible service category 4 applications. Total number of 10 applications have been received in service category 4. These are the names of it. These are the serial number in which these people have applied. So we are just conducting lottery. We are downloading the list for service category 4. Now we are going for service category 5. So these are the 107 service category application we have received. These are the serial number in which they have applied, and these are the lottery number. We will download the result. Now we will go to single girl child lottery. A total number of 16 applications have been received in single girl child, and we are going to conduct lottery for it. There is total number of 2 seats under single girl child quota. So these are the lottery number 1, lottery number 2, and from 3 onward the waiting list starts. Now we are going for KVS forward application in which one student have applied. So whole lottery process is over. You all may see the result. Lottery nahi hai sir uska. You all can see the result after the signature of Honorable Deputy Commissioner on our website. We will possibly upload it today itself in the evening, and you may able to see it tomorrow after it get displayed.
This is the lottery, not the admission list.
This is the only lottery list which we are going to upload, and thereby we will upload provisionally selected and provisionally waiting list also. As per the provisionally selected list, we will call parents one by one, and in case any parent don't have the requisite documents or is found not to be eligible, then the parents in the waiting list will be called. The list 1 for provisionally selected list 1 and provisionally selected waiting list 1 will be released today for service category 1 and 2, and for service category 3 it will be released on after 30 of June. So the list 2, provisionally selected list 2 will be released after 30 June 2021. That will be for service category 3 onward, 3, 4, 5. Those who are in the provisionally selected list, those parents will be receiving a call from the Vidyalaya, and then they will have to come to Vidyalaya and deposit all the documents with originals. You have to show the original and deposit one photostat of that. And all the parents are requested to follow the SOP. In the Vidyalaya website itself, there is a helpline PDF is given in which phone number of teachers are given. So for any doubt you may call them, and you are requested not to visit the Vidyalaya but to maintain contact by phone or email. Thank you.
And also tell in the list, lottery list, all candidates who have applied will be there, but not all are selected. It will be selected on the basis of
जितने बच्चों ने अप्लाई किया और उन सबकी हमने लॉटरी दी. All the candidates registered for the online portal, and after that lottery, what is the sequence that we will upload?
lottery seniority.
That is the lottery seniority, not the admission list. And admission list will be uploaded separately.
Admission list will be made based on the lottery seniority.
So we are going to upload two lists. First, the lottery process and the result of lottery will be uploaded, in which the sequence in which a student has been given the lottery will be uploaded, and thereafter we will upload the provisionally selected list. On the basis of provisionally selected list, admission will be given, and parents may be receiving calls on basis of that. Okay, thank you.